Here we go, first swim.
Yeah, so that if anything goes wrong, it was my puppy, nobody else's puppy. There we go.
Oh, look at him.
And we just carry him around.
You remember your first swim?
You remember Baxter?
Says, I know.
Baxter was small enough, we have a picture, not that we can find it anymore. It's him sitting on the hair strainer there.
Oh.
Where are you going, Greedy? Don't feel any racing heart.
Well, I'm slowing down. He was.
Hi, where are you going? Don't expect your head to be so low in the water. So what I thought I would do is in and out, because every time they go in and out, it's almost counts as a whole nother swim.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, on the beach. We had a swimmer bracelet break. Did you drink it? Did you drink it? You're going to drink up all the water. You're going to drink up all the water.
You want to throw that bead away or save it? What do you think, Baxter? I know. Yeah, you remember that day?
Hi, Splash! Hi! Hi, Splashy Bash! Oh, boy! Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Are they hurting those puppies? Huh? Are they hurting? You think they're hurting?
So each time you'll have to say who it is we're putting in, since we won't have colors.
Oh, that's true. There's Greenie.
There's Green.
And there's Splash.
So how do you like my new heater?
Oh, she's
Yeah,
so precious.
Keeps it nice and warm.
You must go through a lot of propane.
Oh yeah, well this time of year, you know, they'll end up being here one.
Oh, Splash is splashing. Splash is splashing. There's the big tree.
Wanna try? You wanna try?
There goes Splash.
He said no.
They're certainly mellow puppies.
Only right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Only right now. There is not a mellow moment or a mellow puppy in the bunch.
Oh, really?
Nope, they're all Baxters.
Oh,
They're all. Yeah. Nice Splashy.
That's cute.
Nice Splashy boy. Yeah. Yeah. You'll be able to swim at least as well as Baxter. Yes. Yeah.
Maybe your butt won't sink as much. I think he's finally getting some fat on him where he's muscle.
That's Greenie.
I know.
All right.
Out comes Splash. Here we have Pinky and Citrus.
Yep.
Pinky and Citrus. First time in the pool.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's rough. It's such a rough life.
Brady's going to be 6 months next week.
Really? Can you believe that?
He's getting to be big.
Oh my gosh. He is. So Pink was the one who, when Helen said that she had one person drop out because we won't give up our 2 boys, she wanted a boy, so there's 3, and I was like, oh. I seriously thought of keeping Pink also. And Adriana was all over me the other night. Oh, can't we keep 2? Can't we keep 2? No, we're not keeping 2. Oh. Helen's crazy. Helen can keep 2. But she is, oh my God, I just love her. I just love her. And she's, you know, she just does everything. She's so sweet. She's a go-getter. She's like Greenie, really, but she'll stick around also.
Yeah.
Whereas Greenie is out exploring.
Yeah.
But she can be up on the deck and we can be over in the puppy yard. And I can call Greenie, 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 Greenie. She comes charging, running to me. It's the cutest thing I ever saw. And a little 6-week-old baby puppy.
Oh, I know, Beck. They're getting all this attention and taken away from you.
I used to hold and love on you too. Who's the bravest girl? Are you being the bravest girl?
You go outside go potty? You go outside go potty? Hey, you need to go potty? What are you doing? Are you doing okay here? Okay.
Hi, Pinky. You guys all need it. So I think puppies smell good.
Yeah.
I don't know about this stuff. No, don't.
Sorry, that was a bad move. Hard to video and hold a puppy at the same time.
Yeah. Well, and then also what you'll find is that it's also steamy anyway.
Yeah.
I think her legs grew 2 inches yesterday, I swear. I looked at her and I went, what happened? Yeah, no, they're just growing so fast.
So you'll be going home.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Okay, go potty? Good boy.
She's looking around a little more now.
Yeah. She said, I'm not so chicken. No, I'm not so chicken. You see, I did a little bit on her face. I tried to do everybody's over their nose a little bit, so they got a little bit before I went and did a whole bunch.
Yeah.
So how's the commute going? Okay. Yeah, good. Got some good books on tape?
Actually, I just been listening to talk radio. I just had